Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook simple stir-fry mushroom with dry tofu skin. These are the ingredients. I have 5 different types of mushroom. You can use any type of mushroom that is available at your locations. 1 carrot, 4 stalk of spring onions, 2 different types of dry tofu skin. All these ingredients need to cut and prepare. For the dry tofu, we need to soak in the water for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Later on, before cooking, we can take a look at the seasoning that we're going to use for this delicious stir-fry mushroom with dry tofu skin. In the big bowl full of water, put in the dry tofu skin or fuchok. This type of fuchok will take slightly longer to soak. And I have 2 pieces of this dry tofu skin. Soak it as well in the same bowl. When it is dry, it's easy to break. So we just need to soak it in the water for a while. Once it's softened, we can press it down like this. Leave it here for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and cut the mushroom. After the dry tofu skin is soft, this is how it looks like. And this is very nice and soft. Later on, I want to cut it into smaller pieces before I cook it. And also the mushroom, I have cut carrot, spring onion. So these are the seasoning. I have 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic in oil, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. If you do not have these 2 items, you can just use 4 cloves of garlic chopped and fry it with oil, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour, and I'll be using half a cup of water. So these are all the complete ingredients, and I like to start with mixing the flour with water. So we're going to use the flour solution mix to thicken the gravy later on. I will use about 3 tablespoons of water. Just mix it. Now I'm going to put it aside. These were cut into small pieces. For this one, we're going to remove the side first. Alright, tofu skin is ready cut, and I'm going to give it a rinse. One more thing, for mushroom, I like to wash it just right before put it in the pot so that it will not soak up too much water. Heat the pan, put in garlic oil. Just wait for the oil to heat up. When oil is getting hot, I'm putting in garlic in oil. I'm going to stir fry it for a bit until it's released a nice fragrance. When garlic releases a nice fragrance, put in the carrot or of the tofu skin. Give it a stir. Put in half of the oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon first, half of the light soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil, half of pepper. Give it a stir. Put in about half a cup of water. Cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes or until the dry tofu skin is soft. After about 3 minutes, some of the dry tofu skin is a bit soft and some is not. So I'm going to add in the shiitake mushroom, the king oyster mushroom, and the button mushroom. These 3 mushrooms will take longer time to cook, so I'm adding in first. Cover the lid and continue to cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the tofu skin has been cooked for about 6 minutes and mushroom has been cooked for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to add in these 2 types of mushroom, shimache mushroom, and add in the balance of the light soy sauce, pepper, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Give it a mix. going to continue to cook for another 3 minutes until the chimaji mushroom is cooked. After 2 minutes, chimaji mushroom should be cooked by now. I can give it a taste. Wow, so delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this stir-fry mushroom, it's really delicious. And now I'm going to put in the flour mix. Give it a stir. This is to thicken the gravy. Switch off the heat. Add on the spring onions. Give it a mix. Oh, it looks so yummy. This stir-fried mushroom is best served immediately once it's cooked, and while the dish is still hot. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Stir-fried mushroom with dry tofu skin like this can be eaten by itself or can have it with rice. Wow, very delicious. The whole dish is so sweet. Mushroom and tofu skins are really perfect match. For the dry tofu skin, it's soft, tasty and flavorful. With the combinations of many types of mushroom, it makes the dish become so sweet. When have it with rice, so delicious. This kind of dish, it can be enjoyed by the whole family. Children will love it too. Lovely. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye-bye.